Losing weight is a lifelong battle for so many people, but it doesn't have to be. Our next guest says most diets work, but the problem is that people can't stick to them for a long period of time, so the pounds come right back. Dr. Tiffany Wright has helped hundreds of men and women overcome their food addiction so they can live happy and healthy lives. Tiffany is also the author of the Skinny Coach Cookbook. We're happy to have you back here on this show, Tiffany.
Thanks for having me.
So you know about this firsthand because you had a dramatic weight loss.
I did. I lost 100 pounds almost 20 years ago now. I was working as a doctoral candidate at the time, and I tried every diet on the planet since I was about 8 years old, and it occurred to me that it wasn't all foods that I had a problem with. I wasn't up all night binging on broccoli, so I tried to figure out what was the problem, and it was sugar or flour, so I gave them up.
Wow.
And that solved the problem, actually.
We have a before and after picture right on the screen. That's really impressive. That's awesome.
Yeah.
So you talked about giving up sugar and flour. Is that a food addiction, would you say?
Yeah, food addiction is a real thing, and we need to start taking it seriously. It's been acknowledged by world-class scientists. Basically, when you eat highly palatable foods like sugar or flour, your taste buds send a signal to the reward centers in your brain and release dopamine, which makes you feel good.
Sure.
The problem is, and this can happen in as little as 3 weeks, overeating dumbs down those dopamine receptors, so less and less dopamine gets in your system, and when that happens, you need more and more of the food. That's what we call tolerance. And then if you give up the food, now you have dumbed down dopamine receptors, and you feel bad, and that's called withdrawal.
It almost sounds like a drug.
It is a drug. Tolerance and withdrawal, they're two hallmarks for all addictive substances: cocaine, alcohol, cigarettes, heroin, and sugar.
Wow. Well, what about willpower? Can you control this unless you really have a problem?
Right. Well, this is a biochemical reaction, and it's impossible to exert willpower over a biochemical reaction that's happening every minute of every day of every year.
All right. What about moderation? Can you do that, or it doesn't really work?
Right. So there's no addiction specialist, no addiction treatment that suggests moderation works. No one says just one line of cocaine a day and you'll be okay. You have to remove the addictive substances from your body so you can reset your biology and you can clear your brain, because this can be treated.
And I'm sure the Skinny Coach solution has a little bit of doing that, right?
Yep, that's what we do. First, we detox from the food.
So get rid of it. Stop eating it altogether.
Right, and through a series of a specific diet, the right foods in the right combination. But more importantly, science-based cognitive behavioral therapies, behavioral modification techniques, talk therapy that we use every day. I talk to my skinny girls and my manly men every day. They plan their menus. And you know, sometimes these things, they're not short fixes. It can be over months and sometimes over years, daily and sometimes intermittently.
So you actually have to kind of learn what to eat, what not to eat, like rewire your brain?
Rewiring your brain is exactly what we do. What we do on a daily basis, the Skinny Coach solution, is formulate new brain cells, stimulate new neural connections that bypass these damaged connections that we've formed and make new ones that say, I'm a skinny girl, I don't eat that. You ask me, you haven't had sugar or flour in 18 years? No, I don't have cheat days. I'm a skinny girl, I don't eat that.
There you go. No such thing as moderation with this, right?
No.
And I also understand that your husband lost some weight as well, right? Tell us his story.
Okay, well, it was kind of a funny story. I was on a date with someone else, and he asked,
Come on.
yes, he asked, can I bring my friend who's visiting from England? I said, sure, why not? Well, his friend was Phil, and me and Phil liked each other right away, so Phil thought his way in, he was overweight. He thought, well, I'll find out she's a skinny coach. I'll say I want to go on the diet.
Oh, there you go. He wanted to do the diet. Let's put a picture up, actually, and you can tell me what happened.
He got my phone number, and we started doing that. 5 weeks later, he asked me to marry him. 6 months later, he lost 70 pounds, and it's been a year and a half now. He's kept it off.
That's incredible. Wow, what a win-win for him, huh?
Yeah, he's looking pretty good there.
He certainly does. It's a great before and after picture. All right, doctor, you're offering some local sessions coming up, right?
Yeah, tomorrow I have a session at the Breakthrough Fitness, and also on Friday, Thursday and Friday, I'm offering free in-person or on-phone complimentary sessions.
Very good.
In the Shelton area.
In the Shelton area, very good.
Or New Haven.
Yeah, that's pretty close, right?
Yeah.
That's not so bad. Let's talk about the 28-day quit sugar challenge. That
Yes.
seems really overwhelming. I mean, probably not for you skinny girls, but like for me, I don't know where to even begin.
Well, that's funny you say it, because I started the 28-day challenge because I didn't want people to think, how can I give it up forever? Anyone can do anything for 28 days, and I give you every single tool you need and help you on a daily basis, because once you have 28 days of giving up, of detoxing, of clearing your brain from these foods, it becomes very, very simple.
Really?
The cravings go away.
Well, I would assume you're also starting to see some effects. You're probably losing weight, feeling better. Maybe that's motivation also,
That is,
right?
yeah, 10 to 15 pounds you see the first month usually.
That's incredible.
Yeah,
All right,
regardless of age, by the way. This is
Really?
specifically works for women and men over 40.
and you're kind of just watching what you eat. This isn't an extensive exercise plan or anything, right?
No, it's primarily diet. Diet is 90% of weight loss.
They say you are what you eat, right?
Yeah.
All right, for more information or to schedule your free complimentary in-person session with Dr. Wright in the Connecticut and the Shelton, New Haven area, Thursday and Friday only, you can call 310-633-1333 or email Tiffany at skinnycoach.com.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.